Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we'll show you how to know if someone blocked you on Gmail. It's simple, and we'll walk you through the steps to find out. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more helpful tips. Step 1. First, open Gmail and log into your account. Step 2. Once you're logged in, click on the Compose button to create a new email. Step 3. In the To field, type the email address of the person you suspect might have blocked you. Step 4. Next, write a simple subject and body text for your email. Nothing fancy, just a basic message will do. Step 5. Now hit the Send button. After sending, tap on the 3 horizontal lines on the top left corner of the screen. Then select the Sent option to check your sent emails. Step 6. Go ahead and check the status of your email in the Sent folder. If it shows as sent, that means the person hasn't blocked you. But if it says not delivered with a message saying the email couldn't be sent, it might indicate that they've blocked you. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates.